Hello everyone, welcome to QPT. This is Rajamanikam Anjanimuthu from Quality Point Technologies. I have been uploading thousands of videos related to emerging technologies innovations. Especially, I have uploaded more than 200 videos about robots and drones. You can find the robots playlist link in the description of this video. And I have published an ebook about emerging technologies to tell about the earning potential of new technologies. Now I am offering 50% commission to the affiliates selling my ebooks. If you are interested to use this opportunity, check the link in the description of this video. Thanks.